Imagine the sizzling sound of fresh ingredients hitting a hot pan, the rich aroma of simmering spices filling the room. Welcome to a whirlwind journey of culinary delight where we create the mouth-watering jollof rice in just 60 seconds. First, chop up the flavor troika of tomatoes, onions, and peppers. These ingredients are the soul of our dish. Next, heat oil in a pot and sauté them until they become a fragrant base. Then, introduce your washed rice to this flavorful mix, stirring well to ensure every grain is bathed in tomato goodness. Now, it's time for the broth to join the party. Pour it in, add your preferred spices, and let the magic happen as the rice cooks to perfection. As the steam rises and the final stir is given, your delicious jollof rice is ready. A plateful of this dish is not just a meal, it's a sensory experience. Remember, fantastic food doesn't always need hours of preparation. Subscribe for more quick, tasty recipes. Happy cooking!